Based implementation of a question classifier I published in 2003. You can read more about it on GitHub or by visiting this demo page here and clicking on the cat, which will take you to GitHub. It runs on the web browser. It's got three modes. The first mode is free text mode, which is the mode it's in now. You can change the mode by clicking here. And in free text mode, you paste whatever text you want into this box, hit go, and what it'll do is take the text and break it up into sentences, and for each sentence give some sort of classification. So the classifications are most detailed for question types. There's 16 question types. It'll also classify to assertion if it's not a question. If you get into the details of it, you can kind of change the parameters a little bit to make it more or less aggressive in terms of trying to decide if something's a question or not. Anyway, the other mode is tab delimited mode, and for tab delimited mode you can come over to your spreadsheet and you could grab all the columns as long as the last column is a column of text. Paste that into the box, hit go. And what's different about this is that it actually preserves the structure of the cells. So if you look at this first cell, it actually has multiple questions in it. So in my output here, it gives me multiple sentences, right? And then it gives me multiple classifications for that cell. And then you can come back. The first one's garbage, obviously, that's a header. Then you can come back and copy this out to your spreadsheet software. I'm just going to make a new tab here. But you can see that it copy-pastes back in and preserves the structure. And then the final mode is probably the least interesting mode. But if you want to see the tags that it produces, then this is using a implementation of the Brill tagger behind the scenes. You can go into tag only mode and then you can see the tags that it's using. So if you needed something like the Brill tagger running in your web browser for some reason, this might be useful. If you're getting strange output from the question classifier you don't understand, it could be that there's a problem with the underlying tag, although frankly that's pretty unlikely. So that's pretty much it.